This is the unboxing of our newest game, Flamecraft. We're very excited to receive it. It came as a surprise, so we are ready to start playing it. Okay, here is the booklet. It's really nice, it's very big. I'm assuming it has all the components, the rules, the setup, everything. Looks really thorough. Great colors. Yeah, it's all there. Clarifications, everything, perfect. And then we have all our little trays. They have little covers on them, which is really nice. Everything, oh, and they're really nice plastic too. It's not flimsy at all. It's like a nice, very thick plastic to cover everything. A couple of our little meeples fell out, but yeah, it clicks into place, which makes it very secure. And it's a nice strong plastic. Everything is very sturdy. Here's all our cards. Here's a little bag to put all our meeples in. Here's our little players. They're really nice. Each one is individual. We have each color. They're purple. And a gold one, and we have our dragons here as well, one for each player and each color. We got coins, we got real coins in this edition, so they're really nice and hefty, very, very hefty. They feel like real coins. If anything, they feel like heavier than real coins. And finally, we have our player mat. We ordered the neoprene version, so it'll be nice and sturdy, and we're going to be able to play on this mat for a very, very long time without any damage. And there it is. Very big, very beautiful. Has a nice feel, very soft on it. Very bright and colorful. Okay, and that is our unboxing.